Hello friends, today in this video I will explain break and continue. So break and continue also very important uh, keyword for fresher interview. So when you face any interview, that times interview asked about the difference between break and continue and a practical example in project. So today in this video I explain break and continue practical example in real time project, correct? So in real time project I have one project. In this project I am binding one list of data, correct? You can see that here and display here list of data Vishal 1 to 10. So in this list we will implement break and continue. Go to the code side here and here one method, for example this index method, and for example I am passing here data, this one data, correct? Suppose that I am using for each loop here for, correct, for each, like var x in data, correct? Oh sorry, data, and go back, stop this application first, correct, and var x, and I can use here like var x if x value is equal to x dot x dot x dot name is equal to, for example Vishal 6, for example, right, Vishal 6, then we can put here continue, understood? And here we can use data, we can use here, for example I'm defining one value more for this, like data dot name, so that I define here one variable more, for example like that, is equal to new variable, correct? And put here data list, or not individual, we can put here list type, it's easy, something too much, list company, correct, like that. Okay, understood? So I am using here for each loop, correct? So I am putting here data add, correct? So we'll add here data list, dot add data, dot data the x, why x, actually now value put into the x, okay? So now we can check, run this application, check the continue effect. Why we important continue? So Vishal 6 means whenever x value is compared to the Vishal 6, it's skip for this part and print next value and before Vishal 6. Let's see. One second. stop this one, and we have to return data list 6 on UI. Then we will see that on the So in this video, I am trying to explain break and continue practical example with real-time project. Okay. So impact of the break and continue. Correct. So why break is important and why interviewer ask at the time of interview. So suppose that I have list of data. I want to skip particular record from C sharp side. Suppose that I have 100 records. In 100 records, I want to remove 49 records from my list. Correct? Or you can see that here Vishal 6 is not display here in this list. Correct? Vishal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing here because of continue. Understood? And second thing now, for that I'm using break. You can check that here. Vishal 8, 9, 10. For that I am using break. After if x dot name is equal to Vishal 7, then break. Now data showing here Vishal 10, 8, 9, 10. I'm using break here after Vishal 7. So let's see what happened. So here I explained both things, break and continue with practical how it's work. Break means whenever I use break, so after break and sequence is break. No one data is print, no one data we cannot manipulate. Right? Continue means which condition we have used continue. That means particular condition is skip and before condition and after condition data should be print. Correct? So I hope you understand and just let's start. This application is running now. Wait for some time. And just we can see that here these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? 6 we have already skipped because of Vishal 6 we have already skipped because of continue. Suppose that and break means after 7 data will not be including also so 7. So that means now I am using break for Vishal 9. So let's start in this of these things. Just I am change here Vishal 9. So right now it should be print Vishal 7 or 8, not 9. So it's practical things for break and continue. Okay, move to the browser site and wait a moment. Break and continue really very important things for fresher interview and also experience interview. It's whenever you work any live project that times you have realized of the benefit of break and continue. You can see that here Vishal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Why? Because of continue and after the continue is print here Vishal 7 and 8 but 9 is not add into the list. Why? We are using the breakpoint on Vishal 9. Correct? Part of code, I try to explain practical use of break and continue. I hope you understand. So if you think this video useful for you, please comment and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.